folks, it's me again. If you're ever going to use one of these little demonic tools, like I'll show you, you're going to use one of these things, you should wear a mask and some gloves because these things hurt. They also stick in eyeballs really good. So, you got any plans on using one of those? Yeah. I also have a pair of good old-fashioned prescription safety glasses, which look ugly, and well, I don't care if they look ugly, they work. So what I should have is long sleeves. This is cool though. Safety glasses. Of course I didn't adjust them properly. How do you adjust your glasses if you don't have glasses? There we go. Ta-da! Put this on. These are wrong. These are the wrong pair of gloves. I have a better pair here somewhere. I found one. Guess I gotta use the Lick Me Electric gloves. Yeah, Lincoln Electric. What am I planning on doing here? Planning on ripping the paint off. Ripping the paint right off this sucker. Gonna put my glasses over here so they do not get destroyed. Let's see. Should I move the camera here so you can see what I'm doing? Probably. Let's see. I need a bigger flap wheel. I'll try to take this right here. Do that also. Got some rubber in the way here. Come on. Let's put the thing off here. Get out there. Let's go. Come on, get out of there. There's one rubber part. Get off there. Get in there. We got two rubber grommets. And I think I forgot two more on here too. Come on. Come on. Off the frame. There's another one. Here's another one. There we go. Let me put this in a bag and I'll be right back. I'm thinking a smaller angle wire brush should work a lot better, even though this was working really good. I need a smaller one. Hold on. Hello folks. I just learned something. I think I can't find the rest of these things, so I might have to go to Scamazon or a local hardware store and buy a few more of these things. This one's, it'll get by, but it's not going to work very long. So stay tuned. See this? Can I get it up there? Come on, get in Oh. Oh. Medium. Let's see. Uh-oh. Well, folks, yeah, sorry about the strep face here. I'm gonna have to get one of those little sandblasters. I could stick half of this in there, but there's too many. Oh, I mean, it's probably blatantly obvious. There's too many nooks and crannies in there to do this, but I can get a lot of long pipes, get it straightened out. I don't know about the interior of the frame. I don't know. It seems there's probably rust inside, but there's nothing I can do about that. I'll probably just I don't know, clean the outside, clean it off, pre-paint it, and then maybe oil the inside of the frame so don't rust. Anybody have any ideas what to do about the inside of the frame? How do you, like, I understand you can clean the outside, but I don't know what happens to the outside. It's pretty interesting. I'm not a motorcycle frame expert, but it's pretty interesting the engineering that goes into this thing. Like, who the hell figured this out? Like, you gotta know what you're doing here, and this is back in the day before CAD programs. I don't think in '85 anybody was using a computer to design these things. So it's pretty ingenious where they put little gusset plates and little anchor mounts, and I'm guessing there was the jig here. There's definitely spot welds. There's a lot of it. It's been, I don't know, I would say some of it looks like it's, I'm not an expert welder here, but some of these welds look, I don't know if it's TIG welded or what. I mean, they're not questionable. They're just, I mean, this one's got not a lot of penetration. But it's amazing. There's like plate here. This is welded on here. Like I can imagine. I would have loved to see the jig that was on here. Like how many different places this thing went to be put in a jig and welded. It must have been amazing because it's all got to line up after. So. And it's crazy because this plate has got to be attached to here, and I don't think this is part of it. That's got to be welded on. That's got to be welded on. That's got to be welded on. The pipe's got to be welded on. Like there's, I don't know, probably 75 pieces on this frame. So yeah, I'm gonna get one of those little hand. I have a friend who has one. If I asked me, he'd probably lend it to me. Or I'm just gonna stick one half of this in the sandblaster and tape it. Basically tape it closed and try it out. Anyway, we'll see. A little bit of time. As it's mostly the little cubby holes and all these little pieces and in here and in around here. It needs the bars I can get slowly. The front of the frame looks pretty good. Even the bottom. So last time I said that I ate my words. So if you're interested in watching me rebuild a Honda or the next lifetime, stay tuned. I will be working on more of this Honda. Did a little bit tonight. I'm going to keep working on it. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Toodles. I got to go to bed. So, toodles.